Hi guys, today's video will be a bit different. I'll be talking about camera gears and where you can get them in Singapore. So for my international viewers out there, if you are looking for photography tips and gadget reviews, please tune in my next video where I cover more. Today I'll be covering 8 different places and platforms which you can get gears in Singapore at a very good price. Now, my first 4 will be talking about physical stores that you can find. So the first store we're going to talk about is TK Photo. TK Photo gives a very competitive price for camera gears and stuff. I've always asked them for quotes and they never failed to give me a very good price compared with even online platforms. The staff there are very friendly and you can even tell them that you want this lens and they'll probably reserve it for you. Now, the second store is SLR Revolution. It's a store located at Bencoolen Street, which also gives very good prices for the gears. Now, this is my second most favorite place as they have different variety, especially on tripods and different lights, and the staffs are very knowledgeable about what gears will suit you. My third and fourth store will cover more gadget stuff and accessories. 7 Day Deals. 7 Day Deals has a very good online presence even on Carousel and other places, but I love most about their physical store. They have different mounts and adapters for different things that you will need, be it light, lenses, or even tripods. So the fourth store is actually Red Dot Photo. Red Dot Photo gives very good prices, especially for lights. The boss himself sometimes is also there and he's able to give you advice on what's the best light for you according to your budget. So now let's move on to our 4 online platforms which I always use to get different camera gears. So the first online platform is Lazada. Lazada gives a very good competitive prices for different camera gears, and what I love most about it is that their shipping is really cheap. It's probably only $1 or even sometimes free compared with Q10 or compared with Amazon and other stuff. For delivery charges, it's probably very minimal unless you want express shipping, that is. Number 2, Carousel. Carousel is basically a marketplace to sell second-hand stuff, but recently I've realized that a lot of different stores go online on this platform to be able to sell their brand new stuff too. Carousel has different users which are actually owners of different shops, even TK Photo or Red Dot Photo, which they post different articles there for their new stuff that's coming out. Do not undermine Carousel as just a second-hand place, as different items are already listed there, all the new items that just came into the market. Number 3, GearBest. GearBest isn't really a local platform, but it gives very good prices for bags. I've gotten a lot of the bags which I review on this channel through GearBest. The stuff that you want to get there is probably very affordable as it probably just hovers around the 2-digit mark. The only downside to GearBest is that it takes a little while for them to deliver your stuff. Number 4, eBay and Amazon. eBay and Amazon isn't really a locally centered online platform and it's probably very common, but I've listed it down there because I was still able to get different lenses online through eBay and Amazon when I couldn't find from the rest. Singapore is really a small place, so not a lot of sellers come over here to sell their stuff. But it's probably 4th on my rating list. I hope you guys like this video where I cover 8 different stores, online platform and physical stores. Please leave down in the comments below if there are other stores which give very affordable and competitive prices so that others watching this video might be able to know. Please go to my photography tips playlist where I cover different photography tips, especially for all those who are using the Sony system out there. Please like and subscribe and follow my channel so that I can generate more content for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video.